In this module, we can learn about dispersal of seeds in plants. Plants produce seeds. If all the seeds of the plants fall at the same place, there would be competition for space, water, light, air, etc. As a result, seeds will not grow properly into plants. Therefore, dispersal is very important. The process in which seeds are scattered far away from the parent plant is called dispersal of seeds. Dispersal take place by wind, explosion, water and animals. These are called agents of dispersal. Seed dispersal by explosion. Seeds like pea, balsam, castor are found inside the pods that explode or split open when exposed to the sun or when they dry up. When pods burst open, the seeds are scattered far away. Seed dispersal by water. There are plants which grow in and near water. They disperse their seeds through water. They have certain structures to help them to float. Coconut has a heavy seed inside, but it floats on water as the seed is covered by spongy layers of fiber filled with air. When the coconut reaches a river shore or seashore, the outer coat decays and the seeds are exposed. In this way, these fruits are carried away to far off places from the parent plant. In lotus, the part bearing the fruit at its top is called torus, which is spongy and floats in water. Seed dispersal by wind. The seeds which are light in weight and have wings or hair on them are easily blown away by wind. Seeds of cotton, madar and dandelion etc. have such tufts of hair. The seeds of Hiplage sycamore have wings which help them to get carried away by wind. Seed dispersal by animals. Human beings and animals, especially birds, eat fruits and throw away their seeds. Birds and even some animals swallow the seeds. These seeds come out along with their droppings. Some seeds have hooks, spines or stiff hair on them. Sometimes they cling on to animals' fur, feathers, or birds, or on our clothing. In this way, the seeds are carried to other places.